Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up PocketPal AI in mobile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, pick up your smartphone. It doesn't matter whether you're using an Android device or an iPhone, as PocketPal AI is available for both platforms. Open your device's App Store and search for PocketPal AI. Once you find the app, download and install it on your phone. After the installation is complete, launch the application. When the app opens, you'll be greeted with the main interface. Tap the menu icon located in the corner of the screen. This will open a sidebar where you'll find several options including chat, models, and other sections. From the menu, select the Models option. Once you're there, tap on Download Available Models. You will now see a list of AI models that can be downloaded directly to your device. These models allow PocketPal AI to work offline without requiring an internet connection. Choose any model from the list, such as the first available option, and start the download process. After the download finishes, tap the Load. This will activate the model and make it available for chatting. Now, switch to the chat section of the app. Here, you can begin interacting with the AI by asking questions or giving it prompts. For example, you might ask, "Who is the current president of the United States?" If the model provides an incorrect or outdated answer, that usually means the model's training data is not fully up to date. If that happens, don't worry. Simply return to the Models section and try downloading or loading a different model. Since each model is trained differently, some may provide more accurate and current responses than others. By testing multiple models, you can find the one that best fits your needs and delivers the most reliable answers. And that's it. So that's basically how you can set up PocketPal AI in mobile. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.